base 4, 1 over 64. What I want to do is I want to get my bases and my base number and my number the same. Now 4 and 64, I can bring them together. So I'm going to first use my log law where I can make my power negative in order to bring 64 to the top. 64 is 4 cubed. Now I can take my power and it becomes my front number. So I'm going to have minus 3 log base 4, 4. And if my base number, my number is the same, it can fall away. So because it turns to 1. So my answer therefore is minus 3. Now, if I have, say, log of base 15, 1. Again, I want my number, my base number to be the same. Now, what do I know? Exponents taught me that anything to the power of 0 equals 1. And therefore, I can turn 1 into 15 to the power of 0. My power becomes my front number. So now my base number and number is the same. Log of base 15, 15 is 1, and 0 times anything is 0. Looks like a 6. Okay. Now, if I have log base 9, 81 square root 3. What am I going to do here? Because I can turn 81 to a 9, but I cannot turn square root 3 easily to a 9. Now I look at this and I see I can change everything to 3's. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to change my base. My base can become anything I want. In this case, I'm going to make it a 3. So that I can manipulate my numbers, all of them, to become 3. Now, if you've got 81, you can go 3 goes into that 9 times, 27. 3 goes into that 9 times, 3 goes into that 3 times, 3 goes into that 1s. So 81 is 3 to the power of 4. Log base 3, 3 to the power of 4. And the square root of 3, if I want to make that into a power, it becomes to the power of a half. As you can remember, there's a little ghost there, which is a 2, and there's a little 1 there. And if I have a root, it's the inside power divided by the root number. At the bottom, I will have log base 3, 3 squared. Now, when I multiply, this is exponential laws. When I multiply, my bases are the same. I add my powers. So I've got log base 3, 3 to the power of 4 and a half. At the bottom, I have log base 3, 3 squared. Now, my powers become my front numbers. So it's 4 and a half log base 3, 3. You see, you don't have to make your base 3 here. You can leave your base as 10. Just log, because you can make it log of 3 and log of 3 because it will still cancel. You understand? So I've got 4 and a half divided by 2. I make everything a fraction. 9 over 2 times 1 over 2, which will then give me 9 over 4.